Hello, in this video we shall look at the concept of sorting and filtering. The concept of sorting and filtering. Sort and filter is under the editing, under the home tab. We have the command sort and filter. For you to sort and filter, you need to make sure that your data set is in a table format. With that, it will be easier for you to sort and filter. How do we sort? If you click on any of the column, you see on the headers we have the drop down. You can sort from A to Z or Z to A, meaning it is the text column that I clicked on, and the text column contains text, which is using the letters A to Z. So if I click on A to Z, it will rearrange the data set to have F before M. So I've been able to sort. And I can also sort from Z to A. So M comes before F. And it will not change anything. It will just arrange them appropriately. But if you are clicking on a numeric column, you sort from the smallest to the highest, or you sort from the largest to the smallest. So in sorting, you can sort from A to Z if it is on a text column, or you sort from smallest to largest or largest to smallest if you click on a numeric column. What about filter? What if I want to filter for only the male data set? So I just need to click here and choose female. Press OK. Boom, you have it. Also, if I want to clear the filter, I just need to click on this, and I can also filter for only male data. Boom, you have it. So this is as simple as ABC. You sort either A to Z, or largest to lowest, or lowest to largest, and you filter based on your preference. I hope you have learned something. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.